Hi, this is Nilesh Korgoankar. I'm the CEO at EMPHOR DLAS, which is Diagnostics Life Analytical Sciences. I've been over here with this organization for last 25 years. Have been a part of lot of evolving things that happened in the country, and I'm very happy that we contributed with respect to the quality control aspects as well as research and development aspects in food, environment, material sciences, and as well as the research that happens at the universities. We started our journey way back in 2000, coming from analytical field with Perkin-Elmer, who has been a major name in the field of analytical instruments. With Perkin-Elmer's portfolio, we had other product lines, other principals who joined us to make the portfolio much more valuable to the customers. And we started to be at customer ends with different solutions that were required for addressing the quality or the research activities. The trends are more with respect to sustainability, more with respect to environment, more with respect to food safety. It's also with respect to alternative energies like battery research, which is happening. So these are the upcoming trends. There is an emphasis with respect to the semiconductor industry also, which is being talked about around Gulf countries. Today, food crosses borders very easily. Now, the manufacturing practices where the source of a contaminant would be is something which needs to be identified, traced, and analyzed in the right way. So, there should be technologies which will be able to do this kind of analysis, and that's where the importance comes from. Perkin-Elmer, first of all, has a wide variety of analytical solutions. They are into the spectroscopy, which is UV, FTIR, fluorescence. They are into chromatography with various different chromatography applications, gas chromatography, as well as the liquid chromatography. With the recent introduction of a brand new technique on their newly introduced QSite LC-MSMS, the technology is known as blend and inject, which eliminates the sample preparation. All this is a total solution package for a customer, and with the help of our service engineers, we provide application support on all these instruments. For developing products, you require analytical instruments. If you do the analysis at the right precision, right accuracy, wanting to do the targeted applications, these equipments are definitely of importance. In any food manufacturing process, it is the incoming raw materials, the process where it gets manufactured, the finished products, packaged, and hence the shelf life. This is the entire journey through which any manufacturing process goes through. There are various different instruments which are required for monitoring the incoming raw material, monitoring the in-process samples, so that they are with respect to the quality standards set up by the manufacturer. Next is, after the product is ready, is it again right with the quality standards that they have set? And then most importantly, when it goes to the stores, how is the shelf life going to be? So it is not only the incoming raw materials, but the packaging material too, which ends up in the hands of the customers, is something which is important to be measured. Just to give an example of the simplest is a packaged bottle, the drinking water bottle that we use. So it is not only the water being tested for its quality, but also the bottle that is carrying that water is also being tested for its quality. Apart from food, it is with respect, this country, specifically the economies, are more with respect to oil and gas, and what they are wanting to develop as they progress forward is with respect to technology and alternative energy solutions. These are the things with which the economies are trying to see what balances they can bring in. Food is one of the most important chain from the quality control aspects. But being from the oil and gas industry, it is still with respect to the lubricants that are getting tested. It is with respect to the polymer testing that happens, polymers and composites, which are to be tested. It is with respect to the alternative energies, which are like battery testing, which plays an important role, or developing rechargeable batteries. That is an important subject being discussed, that there is industry with respect to the material, which is aluminum, which gets manufactured at huge quantities over here in UAE as well as other countries in the Middle East. So these are the things where there are a lot of activities that are happening. There has been a lot of hustle and bustle at our booth, both at the Perkin-Elmer Emphor booth as well as the Emphor Lab Space booth. At both these spaces, we have a lot of customers who have visited, and I am sure we should be able to have a good return on investment that we have done at this exhibition. Thank you. Thank you very much.